tell me when to go.
Yeah.
Here is an ideal question for pronatalist policies. Describe strategies used by a country with an ageing population. 6 marks. So for a 6-mark question, we would want to allow ourselves 6 minutes in the exam to answer it. 1 minute per mark. The command word which I am going to circle is describe, which means say what we see. We then have a look at some of the other keywords that we ought to use in our answer. So we're using vocabulary from the question in the answer. The first keyword I'm going to use is strategies. Strategies are programs or ideas or methods used in this instance by the government of a country who has an ageing population. An ageing population is a population which has a lot of elderly people in it with very few young people. An ageing population is an expensive population because they need to be looked after with healthcare and with hospital care. With a view to looking after these people, there should be a working group of people to pay taxes. Here is my answer. I'm using France as my case study, and they have adopted a pro-natalist policy. By using the term pro-natalist, I'm letting the examiner know that I've got very good geographical understanding. A pro-natalist policy encourages more births. With a new younger generation coming along, this will provide a working force for the future, and that working force for the future will pay for the ageing population. To encourage couples to have children, the government offers 3 years of paid leave to look after newborns. The government also subsidises childcare costs for children under 3. These 2 strategies or 2 methods that the government uses helps young couples to afford children and thus encourages more babies to be born, which would then help out the ageing population. In this question, I have used paragraphs. By using paragraphs, that automatically helps me structure my answer. I have come up with 1, 2, 3 well-developed points, which marks would give me 6 whole marks in this instance.